shoot your shot. Some of y'all too pretty. Y'all too pretty in the head. And some of you, whatever you felt you look like, whatever you felt like your opportunity, you felt like this, that, whatever, you started to aim for stuff that you thought matched you. Yes or no? Some of you look for things, opportunities in life, it came to you easy. Some of you, it came to you hard, but instead of keep on shooting the shot, you said, maybe that's all I get. Maybe I should just settle right there. If you're gonna shoot your shot, you better have the energy to play the game. So I see why some people aren't willing to take the shot. You don't want to get the rebound. You don't want to run after it. If you're comfortable, you're not going to shoot the shot. I get it. Please shoot your fucking shot and keep shooting. And don't shoot for the easy shit. If you want something big, get it. I don't care what the reason is, but you got to shoot it. Are you going to stop shooting? Do you have enough stamina? Why aren't you pulling up from the three-point line? Why aren't you taking the layup when it's wide open? Why are you not shooting it? Why are you going for the easy stuff? Why are you running away and not shooting the ones that might require work? I need a whole team of Currys. I need LaMelo, pull up from half court. I just need to know that if that opportunity came, you're not afraid to do it. All I'm saying is, shoot your shot, ladies and gentlemen.
From downtown.